Yeah.
So we are having a little burial for our kids, Rue and Sal, aka Big Papa, Big Mama. They were a big part of our lives during the time they were here, just the 3 months that we had them. We just kind of came in, said hello to them every day, and it was really hard to sit there and just watch them just kind of slowly wait and deteriorate. They were loved beyond measure. All of our staff members, everybody here that, as you can see, loved them to death. And we were there till the very end. Loved on them, gave them kisses, and I'm telling you, Rue, Big Mama, her stub never stopped wagging, guys. It never stopped wagging till the very end, and I can tell you, I am 100% sure that they're in a better place now. I want to thank both of you guys for coming out here and helping us out and making their lives memorable, and so they didn't have to wait anymore. And we really hope that this is going to push forward some more things as far as animal cruelty, to get police cases not to be held as long as they did before. 3 months is too long for these two big mastiffs that were neglected to be stuck in a cage almost 24 hours a day waiting. I can't say thank you enough. We here cannot say thank you enough for helping us out. We are going to bury them here. We have a gazebo coming as well that we can put up for them, and a memorial, and I really don't know what else to say other than thank you. Big Papa and Big Mama love and appreciate everything that you did for them and everything that you did for the staff. We also want to say thank you so very much to Pause to Remember. What they did was amazing, and we can't thank everybody enough.
Ashley and Leah, the team, Danielle, Jay.
Yep.
I mean, if you look at the faces, I'm here because I represent justice, and I could not do my part without animal care specialists like these heroes behind me. Our humane societies across the county and the state, they are true heroes. Yeah, look at that. She's shaking. The emotion is so amazing. Let me tell you, this story began because of a tip that a neighbor gave that these two big mastiffs were left outside for over a year. And their paws, these big paws, you see how big they are, were infected. And the owner, we tried 3 different times to give up ownership and to allow us to humanely care for them and ultimately euthanize them. It could have been prevented, but it wasn't, and it was painful. And the hearts of the staff here, the specialists, I mean, you all take care of so many animals, but this pair, this brother and sister stood out to you. Why?
Big dogs, I mean,
they didn't deserve what happened to them, and they were still, after everything, I mean, they were still great dogs. They were still friendly, playful. Big Papa would kind of like bounce up with his paws. Big Mama, her tail was always wagging. They were, despite what had happened to them, they were still the loving dogs that we had in the shelter, and they really stood out.
They're on medical do not walks, so volunteers couldn't walk them. Their feet were so bad that they weren't able to walk throughout the shelter area. So we would take them out after hours and let them be. But the AstroTurf was not good on their feet. You can tell after a few minutes that they were in pain. So.
Well, I don't know where you are, and this is a hard story to tell, but it's a beautiful ending. And as I said when I did the briefing last week, this is a love story of not only 2 dogs, but also the lives that these 2 mastiffs touched. And it's a representation for, I hope you all to know that they are the connection between animal and human, and the bond that we create. That's why I'm so focused on giving justice to people who they could have made a better decision. There's people like all of us that will take care of these animals. You don't need to starve them, you don't need to beat them, you don't need to torture them. If you don't know what to do, bring them to animal care specialists like you see here, the heroes. Bring them to some place, but don't neglect them like they did for these. So I know you're sad. I can't tell you how much emotion is here right now, because we had people that donated to have them cremated. We had people that have donated to have this service. They put their money together, these ACSs, to make sure that this was done in dignity. So I just want to tell you from Chris how much I appreciate you, that their boxes and their memory will live on. but it's the work that you all do every single day. All the volunteers, all the rescues that are out there, wherever you are right now, even outside Genesee County, keep doing the good work. Keep doing it. This is a team effort. So let's do a proper burial. Can you explain what we have here besides our pause to remember Prince, and we have a certificate of cremation? Go ahead.
Yeah. Big Mama.
Oh my God.
And that's the memorial for the
One hand, sorry. Yeah, that's all right. We don't want that. Yeah.
Those prints that we did.
Oh, yeah. They're locked in there.
Oh my gosh.
They actually, instead of giving us like the cheaper ones, they went ahead and actually
Pause to
donated
remember.
Did all this
Yeah.
work.
Make sure we tag pause to remember.
Yeah.
You did it with honor. So what do you say? Who do we put in? We remember first, Big Mama or Big Papa? Same time.
We just
Okay.
did
All right.
that.
All right.
Yeah.
That's Big Mama.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. All right. And as soon as we do this burial, we'll be on our way. And I hope that this encourages you and blesses you today. Go ahead.
Alright. Ready, Johnny?
Y'all want to gather around?
It's right there.
Where is it?
Behind
Okay.
you.
Good. Thank you, dear. Oh no!
We got some.
So we forgot to say something about Rue.
Let's go.
The Big Mama. She, if you didn't leave her light on in her room, she would flip her bed and howl. So
For months, that room has been on a very dimly lit room with
and
other
it's now a
dogs.
habit.
Oh my God.
It's become a habit. We can't even turn the light off anymore.
So we got solar lights. So she's
Yep.
never in the dark.
Oh.
And then this glows in the dark for them too.
Okay, I just got chills. That's beautiful. If love could have saved you, you would have lived forever. Great way to end. I just want to say you guys are amazing heroes behind the scenes. Thank you very much. Big Mama, Big Papa, we love you.